Before I move on to editing the photo itself, I want to add a quick lesson about how you work around the Photoshop workspace. So we notice here that we have this layer panel over here on the bottom right with the photo that we've opened. The cool thing about Photoshop is you can add lots and lots of layers and edit them together, and that's one of the cool things about it. I can also turn off and on individual layers with the eyeball right here. So what if I want to add another photo to this, we'll call it a project? There's a couple ways to do it. One is to go up to File, and then go down to Place Linked, and then select the photo that you want to place in this project. So now it actually places this image as a new layer. And from here, I can resize it by clicking the corners and dragging to the left or right or around to make it bigger or smaller. Now notice that when I do that, the aspect gets all funky. If you press the Shift key down, it locks it to that aspect ratio so it stays and it looks normal. We can click and move it around. And then once we're done moving it around initially, press the Return key to sort of lock it in place. You can still move it around. It's just now a part of the image. And so we can just resize it again, press Return to sort of lock it in place. So now we have two layers over here on the right-hand side. To delete a layer, you can just press the Delete key with one selected. I'm going to undo that. If I want to reorder the layers to put a different one on top, I can just click and drag and reorder them. So now I have this photo of Sam playing soccer on top. You don't see the one below unless I turn this one off, but it's still there. Now that's just a little bit about working with image. There's other ways that you can place images in your project. For most Mac users and PC users, if you just select the image in your Finder or Documents and drag it into the project on top of that sort of window that you have your photo on, your canvas as it's called, it just places it in there like that. Again, pressing Return will lock it in place, but I'm going to delete it. So that's a little bit about the workflow and understanding layers. I'm sure there will be more sort of tips moving on, but now in the next lessons, I'm going to move on to how you properly edit your photos in Photoshop.